Ever accidentally sent money and then panicked, wondering where it all went? Today, let's dive into the exciting process of managing the money you've sent using Taptap in Bangladesh. The key is to quickly access the funds. First, locate your Taptap app on your phone and unlock it. Navigate to your main dashboard or your profile section now. Look for the button that says Transaction History. Tap on this icon. This is essentially your financial journal. Keep track of everything you send and receive by reviewing the dates, amounts, and status of each one. Select a specific transaction that you are interested in. Inside a particular transaction, you will see the status such as pending, successful, or failed. Successful means sent, and failed is the most common scenario now. The crucial part is understanding the status itself. If it is successful, the funds should have reached the destination. If you need to view the beneficiary's information, or possibly call them yourself, refer to the transaction's details for the contact information. The recipient knows where to retrieve the sent money, usually at a designated agent point or into their linked account. To prevent any issues in the future, always double-check the recipient's mobile number. Also, confirm the amount before sending. In order to prevent any wrong or accidental transfers, always be vigilant with your money transfers. Need assistance or your money did not arrive? Contact the Taptap customer support directly via the in-app chat or phone.